Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you around my 2019 Subaru WRX STi. I bought this car last year in March of 2020. I already have a couple things done to it, so let me show you around. Starting off with the front end, we have the factory OEM STi lip. Moving around to the side, we are on GR 2014 STi wheels. These are 18 by 8.5, offset 55. Here we have the stock OEM 6-pot STi Brembo calipers with a 13.4 inch rotor or 340 millimeters. We are also running a 15 millimeter spacer, black STi Fender emblem, black S207 side skirts. We also have rain guards or window deflectors, whatever you'd like to call them. Paint matched USDM splash guards. We have tint over the reverse portion of our taillights. And here we have the IkonMotorsports rear gurney flap. And it might be a bit hard to see, but we are running an Invidia R400 Catback with burp tip exhaust. But for now, this is how she sits. We do have lots coming in store, so stay tuned. Make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know any feedback or suggestions you guys might have down in the comment section below, or any video ideas or parts that you guys would like to see get thrown on the STi. But for now, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.